Hi, hello, welcome to my channel Kumar EduTech. So today we will discuss about digestion of carbohydrates. So food molecules, different types of food molecules are we are taken. We are taken different types of food molecules. These food molecules contains different types of chemical components that is called carbohydrates, proteins and lipids. So today topic is digestion of carbohydrates. So how to digest carbohydrates in the human beings? We taken food materials or bun or burger. Bun or burger. These bun or burger is contains carbohydrates. Carbohydrates. Digestion occurs in alimentary canal. Alimentary canal. Digestion of carbohydrates means breakdown of complex carbohydrates converted into simple carbohydrates by the action of enzymes is called as digestion of carbohydrate. So digestion of carbohydrates means breakdown of complex carbohydrates converted into simple carbohydrates complex carbohydrates converted into simple carbohydrates is called as digestion of carbohydrate. In this process, so this process means complex converted into simple molecules. This process involves different parts or different steps. First, carbohydrates digestion starts with buccal cavity. So carbohydrates digestion starts from buccal cavity and small intestine. Remaining parts carbohydrate digestion is absent. In alimentary canal, different types of parts are present. In this, only buccal cavity and small intestine region carbohydrates are digested. Buccal cavity or oral cavity. Food enters into the mouth region or taking of the food into mouth region or buccal cavity. This food is converted or breakdown of the simple molecules. So starch molecules. These starch are polysaccharides. This starch is polysaccharide. Polysaccharides converted into glucose plus maltose plus limit dextrin. So in this process, food enters into the carbohydrates enters into the buccal cavity. Oral cavity contains salivary glands. These salivary glands secretes salivary amylase. So these salivary amylase mixed with food materials or food molecules. These salivary amylase break down the starch molecule. So these starch converted into one glucose molecule, one maltose molecule and limit dextrin. In this salivary amylase. So pH is 6 to 8. So in this pH, salivary amylase is activating. So polysaccharides converted into monosaccharides and disaccharides. So polysaccharides converted into monosaccharides and disaccharides. This is a partial digestion. esophagus. So esophagus is in this region, digestion is absent. In this region, digestion is absent. So in buccal cavity region, food plus salivary amylase mixed with to form bolus. So these bolus enters into or transfer into the stomach region through esophagus. So esophageal walls produce movements. That movement is called as peristaltic movement. So if this peristaltic movement, bolus enters into the stomach through esophagus. So esophagus function is transferring the food material or undigested food material or partially digested food materials enters into the stomach region through esophagus. Stomach region. Bolus enters into the stomach. Gastric walls secretes gastrin. Gastric enzymes and also acids. Gastric walls secretes enzymes, gastric enzymes and acids. So bolus plus HCl. Acids means hydrochloric acid is produced in the stomach region. So bolus plus HCl is formed chyme region. So in this, HCl function is destroying the bacteria or virus. Or small pins. So HCl means acidic medium. So bolus contains food materials plus saliva. Saliva means amylase. So these amylase activated in pH of 6.8. So this is neutral. In neutral condition, amylase is activating more. But in this stomach region, HCl is added to bolus. Amylase enzyme is inactivated. So carbohydrate digestion is absent in stomach region. Chyme, acid chyme. So this acid chyme enters into the small intestine. So these small intestine contain intestinal walls or epithelial cells. Epithelial mucosa. So epithelial walls or epithelial mucosa secretes intestinal enzymes. So intestinal enzymes break down the all types of carbohydrate, remaining all types of carbohydrate. So remaining all types of carbohydrates means first starch. Starch is converted into glucose plus maltose. So amylase or pH is 6.8. pH of 6.8. In this condition, starch converted into glucose and maltose. Next to maltose. maltose. So this is a polysaccharide. This is a polysaccharide. This is a disaccharide. Disaccharide maltose. Maltose converted into two glucose molecules. Two glucose molecules by the action of maltase enzyme. Maltase enzyme. pH is 6.8. The next sucrose. Sucrose converted into two glucose molecules. Glucose molecules by the action of sucrase. By the pH is 6.8. So this is a polysaccharide. These two are disaccharide. Monosaccharide is glucose. So the next two glucose molecules are converted to ATPs inside of the cell. So undigested food material. Digested food material means glucose molecules. Glucose molecules are absorbed through villi, small villi-like structure in small intestine. So in this region, in small intestine, villi-like structures are present. So this is a villi. Intestinal walls contains projection-like structure. Number of projection-like structures are present. These projection-like structures is called as villi. These villi are useful for absorb the digested food material, that is called glucose molecules. So these villi are absorbed food materials and transfer the transfer the blood. So these blood transport the different types of cells. This is a digestion of carbohydrates.